Welcome everyone. This event is being hosted by myself Jay Nangre and my colleague Ms. Seema Nimbarkar. I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our online competition on such a digital platform. A famous author, Chris Grosser, once said that opportunities don't happen, they are created. While we are all locked down due to this pandemic, we thought let's give a reason for unlocking our inner self through creating different opportunities. So our student engagement team decided to come up with an amazing competition. Couple of days back, interested students were required to submit their creativity and innovation in the form of singing and poster making. We have got a really great response. In spite of such a panic situation, participants actively participated in the online competition. We have organized two competitions, the first one being a singing competition, that is Voice of Brims, and second one was a poster making on the topic awareness towards COVID-19. Our main goal for organizing such an event was to divert the minds of the students towards something that they like to do and which would ultimately keep them motivated in such a situation.
Hope everyone is safe at home. This virus COVID-19 has affected every sphere of our life. It has altered the overall structure of our society and the way we live. I believe that creative art forms a natural extension of one's expression. It comes under various forms like singing, dancing, painting. So, today we are going to use these forms to create awareness regarding COVID-19. As we know, music creates a sense of belonging and participation. Music helps to develop social as well as mental health. In this panic situation, we can say that music is a social balm for enhancing community connection. So, before commencing with the competition, I would request judges to take a note that evaluation sheets are already circulated. After each contestant, 20 seconds would be given for evaluate and rate accordingly in these sheets. For your convenience, 20 seconds timer would be displayed on the screen after each performance. So without a further delay, let's start the competition. I would request my friend Jay to continue with the competition, that is Voice of Brims.
So without any further delay, let's start with the first competition, that is Voice of Brims. Here we have our first contestant from MMS second year, Mr. Tanmay Moghe.
बन गए नमी बन गए तुम मेरे आसमां मेरी ज़मीं बन गए हंसी बन गए नमी बन गए तुम मेरे आसमां मेरी ज़मीं बन गए ओ हम बदलने लगे गिरने संभलने लगे जब से है जाना तुम्हें तेरी ओर चलने लगे हम बदलने लगे गिरने संभलने लगे जब से है जाना तुम्हें तेरी ओर चलने लगे हर सफर हर जगह हर कहीं बन गए मानते थे खुदा और हाँ वही बन गए हंसी बन गए नमी बन गए तुम मेरे आसमां मेरी ज़मीं बन गए पहचानते ही नहीं अब लोग तन्हा मुझे मेरी निगाहों में भी है ढूंढते वो तुझे पहचानते ही नहीं अब लोग तन्हा मुझे मेरी निगाहों में भी है
That was indeed a very soothing start. Our next contestant is Miss Harshada Satam from MMS First Year.
कहीं तो कहीं तो होगी वो दुनिया जहाँ तू मेरे साथ है, जहाँ मैं जहाँ तू और जहाँ बस तेरे मेरे जज्बात है, होगी जहाँ सुबह तेरी पलकों की किरणों में लोरी, जहाँ चांद की सुन तेरी बाहों में है, जाने ना कहाँ वो दुनिया है, जाने ना वो है भी या नहीं, जहाँ मेरी जिंदगी मुझसे इतनी खफा नहीं, जाने ना कहाँ वो दुनिया है, जाने ना वो है भी या नहीं, जहाँ मेरी जिंदगी मुझसे इतनी खफा नहीं। सांसें खो गई है किसकी आहों में, मैं खो गई हूँ जाने किसकी बाहों में, मंजिलों से राहें ढूंढती चली और खो गई है मंजिल कहीं राहों में, कहीं तो है नशा तेरी मेरी हर मुलाकात में होठों से होठों को चूमते और रहते हम हर बात पे, कहती है फिजा जहाँ तेरी ज़मीं आसमां, जहाँ है तू मेरी हंसी तेरी खुशी मेरी जहाँ, जाने ना कहाँ वो दुनिया है, जाने ना वो है भी या नहीं, जहाँ मेरी जिंदगी मुझसे इतनी खफा नहीं, जाने ना कहाँ वो दुनिया है, जाने ना वो है भी या नहीं, जहाँ मेरी जिंदगी मुझसे इतनी खफा नहीं। थैंक यू।
That was a very nice and contending performance. Our next contestant is Miss Harshana Shettigar from PGDM First Year.
वो रंग भी क्या रंग है, मिलता ना जो तेरे होठ के रंग से हूबहू, वो खुशबू क्या खुशबू, ठहरे ना जो तेरी सावरी जुल्फ के रूबरू, तेरे आगे ये दुनिया है फीकी सी, मेरे बिन तू ना होगी किसी की भी, अब ये जाहिर सरियाम है, ऐलान है, जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो, जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो, जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो, जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो। उलझन भी हूँ तेरी, उलझन का हल भी हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा सकती हूँ, थोड़ा पागल भी हूँ मैं, बरखा बिजली बादल झूठे झूठे फूलों की सौगातें, सच्ची तू है सच्चा मैं हूँ सच्ची, अपने दिल की बातें दस्तक हाथों से हाथों पे कर दे तू, ना कर आँखों पे पलकों के पर्दे तू, क्या ये इतना बड़ा काम है, ऐलान है। जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो, जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तो।
Well, thank you for choosing one of my favorite songs. The next contestant is Miss Jyoti Kumari Yadav from PGDM First Year.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇਤਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਾਂ, ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਵਿੱਚ 100 ਬਾਰ ਕਰਾਂ, ਤੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ, ਮੌਤ ਦਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਕਰਾਂ, तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ ये कभी सोच ना सके, तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ तो ये कभी सोच ना सके, कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहाँ, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी, अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के, तू ही सफर है आखिरी, कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं, न देना कभी मुझको तू फासले, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ तू ये कभी सोच ना सके, तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ तू ये कभी सोच ना सके, आँखों की है ये ख्वाहिशें के चेहरे से तेरे ना हटे, नींदों में मेरी बस तेरे हैं, ख्वाबों ने ली है करवटे, कि तेरी ओर मुझको लेके चले ये दुनिया भर के सब रास्ते, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ ये कभी सोच ना सके, तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ तू ये कभी सोच ना सके, तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके, मैं तुझे कितना चाहती हूँ, तू ये कभी सोच ना सके. थैंक यू.
That was indeed very nicely sung. Our next contestant is Miss Pratiksha Nikam from MMS First Year.
ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिणगी ठिणगी वाहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. लेओले नगरी तिच चण खाऊ लोखंडाचं, लेओले नगरी तिच चण खाऊ लोखंडाचं, दिन भव आवरूच धनी मथुर माझा देवा माझा मनी असू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिणगी ठिणगी वाहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. लक्ष्मीच्या हातातली चौरी भावी वर खाली, लक्ष्मीच्या हातातली चौरी भावी वर खाली, इडा पिडा जाई झाली, किरपा तुझी भातातल्या सूर्यासंग, किरपा तुझी भातातल्या सूर्यासंग राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिणगी ठिणगी वाहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. सुख थोडं दुःख भारी दुनिया ही भरी बुरी, सुख थोडं दुःख भारी दुनिया ही भरी बुरी, घाव बसल घावावरी सोसायला झुंजायला अंगी बळ, सोसायला झुंजायला अंगी बळ मिळू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिणगी ठिणगी वाहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आभाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे.
खूपच छान झालं गाणं प्रतीक्षा. Our next and final contestant for this event is Miss Prashansa Adkane from MMS First Year.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन, माझं नाव प्रशंसा अडकणे, MMS फर्स्ट इयर चाणक्य बॅच. आणि मी जे गाणं म्हणणार आहे ते गाणं म्हणजे एका आईचा लेख शिक्षणासाठी जॉबसाठी मुंबईला गेलेला आहे आणि या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये तो तिथंच अडकलेला आहे. तर त्या आईची भावना मी या गाण्यातून तुम्हाला सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करते.
तुला भेटण्याची मजला झाली रे घाई, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. मुंबईत अडकून पडला कोरोना पायी, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. मुंबईत कोरोनाचा वाढला रे कोटा, ऐकून बाजूनी चुकतो काळजाचा ठोका. हात जोडते खोली बाहेर पडू नको लेका, आहे मी खुशाल इकडे रडू नको लेका. अन्न पाणी गोड लागेना चिंता मला खाई, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. तुला भेटण्याची मजला झाली रे घाई, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. देवा सांग आता केव्हा होतील भेटी गाठी, माझ्या म्हातारपणीची आहे हो काठी. मला सोडून मुंबईला गेला पोटासाठी, नको तुझा पैसा येतो गावाला पाठी. मोल मजुरी करूनी राहू एका ठाई, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. मुंबईत अडकून पडला कोरोना पायी, गावी कधी येशील बाळा, वाट बघते आई. थँक्यू.
All performances were really lovely. I hope you all enjoying this competition. Moving forward with the next competition, using digital platform, we thought we can spread awareness regarding COVID-19 and how we safeguard ourselves. It's really challenging to convey the message through pictures using slogans, diagrams. So, here we have a small video by each contestant wherein they share their ideas behind the poster. So, let's start our next competition, poster making competition, awareness regarding COVID-19. Here, a small note for all judges. Evaluation will be same for this competition as well. So, I am requesting all judges to be ready with the poster making competition evaluation sheets. I would like to start the competition by the first contestant Adiba Mukadam, MMS first year.
Hello everyone, this is Adiba Mukadam here and I am here to guide you with few tips to prevent coronavirus transmission. My first tip is to wash your hands. As in this global pandemic, it is one of the easiest, cheapest and the most important tip to follow, and one should wash their hands for minimum 20 to 30 seconds. It is as long as it takes to sing a birthday song twice, so one should not forget to wash their hands frequently. My second tip is to maintain distance, as coronavirus gets transmitted when we come into social contact. contact or human contact. So one should avoid social gathering and maintain social distancing and stay home. My next tip is to sanitize your phone, as mobile phones are extension of your hand. So it is an extremely important thing that you sanitize your mobile phones and gadgets that you use frequently. Next, do not touch your face, as these respiratory viruses spreads when mucus and droplets containing this virus gets into your body through your eyes, nostrils, mouth, eyes. So all you have to do is please don't touch your face. Next, wear a mask whenever you leave your place. Next, you should use a disposable tissue while sneezing and discard that immediately. And if in case you don't have a tissue, you should you should sneeze with a flexed elbow, that is in such a way, and use your sleeve instead. And further, with this, I want to say that in a day we touch n number of things n number of times, so there is a possibility that you might get germs on your hand. So the only way to get rid of these germs is wash those germs away. So, and my catchy phrase for the same is, if you don't create distance, you will invite coronavirus for an instance. So all you have to do is maintain distance. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.
Thank you, Adiba, for presenting such an attractive poster. Let's see the next poster by PGDM second year student Karishma Kapure.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Karishma Kapure. My topic is awareness of coronavirus. Well, do you know one tiny mistake can suffer millions of people? If you find any of the illness or common symptoms like fever, tiredness, runny nose, dry cough, shortness in breathing, please immediately inform to your nearby doctor and others also. By taking proper preventions, you can cure COVID-19 by wash your hands often, stay home, cover your mouth and nose, and keep safe distance from other. Can save the life of millions. We are in an age of pandemic. If you feel any of the above symptoms, please quarantine yourself from other. If health system get overloaded, many people can die. So please stay home, keep safe distance. Hashtag stay home, break the chain, stop coronavirus. Thank you.
Thank you, Karishma, for sharing such an informative poster. Yes, we should avoid such tiny mistakes which will lead to suffer a millions of people. So, let's see such messages through other posters. Our next contestant is Miss Purva Asgaonkar from MMS first year.
Hello everyone, my name is Purva Asgaonkar. As all of us know that we all are going through a very difficult phase of this corona pandemic. We all are told to follow various rules and regulations of staying at home, maintaining a health and hygiene. So this poster of mine explains that we have to be patient in this difficult time and make sure that we follow the instructions and collectively overcome this phase. Even after the lockdown, we have to make sure that we take care of ourselves, and at least for a year we have to wear the mask regularly, wash our hands regularly at regular intervals, maintain a social distance. This was the basic idea of making this poster. Often when you think that you are at the end of something, you are at the beginning of something else. So let us be patient and positive. Let us all unite for this COVID fight. Thank you.
Thank you, Purva, for sharing your ideas through such a creative poster. I would like to present the next poster by MMS first year student Miss Prashansa Adakne.
Hello everyone, my name is Prashansa Adatne, MMA's first year from Chanakya batch. My drawing is not so good, but still I am trying to show my creativity through this poster. Now I am going to show the poster. Here I draw the earth which is in angry mode. World fight coronavirus. Here are some tips regarding awareness of coronavirus. Social distance. As we all know, we should maintain a social distance from anyone who is sneezing or coughing. Wash your hands often. Stay home and stay safe. Here it is COVID-19. Protect yourself and family. Reduce the risk to others. I draw the India's map over here. Thank you.
Nice poster, Prashansa, and your drawing is also good. Let's have our next contestant, Sahil Katkar from MMS second year.
As we all are aware of rapid spreading worldwide pandemic COVID-19 and which has almost been the talk of the town, thereby I would say this poster speaks in itself. Let's start with Mother Earth. Yes, we call her mother not because we get birth over here, but because of similar qualities which our mother do possess. They do a lot for us, yet never pretend or mention their efforts, and we keep ignoring her. Mother Earth gave us everything for free, but do even once we made an effort to protect her? A big no. While on the other hand, now everyone is talking about humanity and humanly gods like doctor, medical staff, police, cleaners and many others. But are they only working during this pandemic? No, they were working since ages. But it's our nature to be greedy. Let's thank Corona who made us realize their efforts today. But what about tomorrow? Shall we wait for another incident or calamity to happen to show our humanity and love for the Mother Earth? If not, then let's start following the only religion of humanity with identity of red blood, which we all have in common, and start respecting every profession and person. Let's stay at home and help all the warriors to fight this coronavirus on ground. And let us, we individuals, kill all human virtue from our mind to get rid of this mask weared by Mother Earth and rebring the smile on her face. As we all are aware of rapid spreading worldwide pandemic COVID-19.
Thank you, Sahil, for such an artistic poster. Everyone, please stay home, stay safe. Next contestant is Samruddhi Garud from PGDM second year.
Everyone, my name is Samruddhi Garud and I am in PGDM Finance. As we all know that Maharashtra has the highest number of coronavirus cases, we must follow the instructions given by the government like wearing mask, keeping social distance and using sanitizer with 60% alcohol in it. Health workers, police officers and sweepers etc. are doing their job by putting their own health at risk and trying to save us from the coronavirus. So when you are stepping out of your home thinking that nothing will happen to you and you have a strong immunity power, then remember that you are putting your own health at risk as well as your family members' health at risk. So I would like to conclude here by saying that stay home, stay safe. You and your loved ones' health is in your hands. Thank you.
Our next contestant is Ms. Seema Nimbalkar from MMS first year.
Hello, my name is Seema Nimbalkar, and the poster interprets some messages that will help to create awareness regarding COVID-19. Keep a social distance, stay home, stay safe, and the main message I want to give you is the touch or a sense is the eyesight of blinds, and if those are following social distancing, then we also have to learn from them. Support the heroes of this coronavirus war like police, doctors, government. Wear mask, cover your mouth while sneezing, coughing. Throw used mask in dustbins so that animals will not get affected from that. Wash your hands with soap, hand wash, etc. So like all difficult situation, this too is a challenging circumstance. We can say it is a test of human resolve, patience, will. But if we decide, then we will together win over this virus. Thank you. Let's proceed with the last two posters of this competition. I would like to present the next poster by MMS second year student Nejal Vora.
Hello everyone, I'm Nejal Manish Vora from second year MMS Marketing. So this is my poster for the COVID-19 awareness. As we all know, the entire world is hit badly by this pandemic, which is COVID-19. I would just like to begin by saying that if we don't want to start right from the A, then please stay home and stay safe. In this picture, you will see there is this mask instead of any chain or something. This is because it should not be compelled to stay home. It should come from within, from within the people, that we should stay home, and by staying home we are not only protecting our own family but also we are serving for the betterment of our nation. There are four major precautions that have to be taken. The first one being there should not be any handshake when people greet each other. They should use sanitization on a regular basis to kill the germs on their hands and palms. The third one is there should not be any mass gathering where people come in close contact with each other, and they should be washing their hands on regular basis. There are two real heroes during this pandemic. The first one is policeman and the second one is doctor. Doctors are the only hope, I guess. Everyone knows that. So these two real heroes are risking their life to save ours. The entire world is facing lockdown, and what we do today will define our tomorrow. So I would conclude by saying that we'll definitely beat this pandemic and we'll come out of it. And the day is not far where this disease will be gone, and trust me, the next day a new era will be born. Till then, stay safe and stay at home, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Nejal. Our last contestant is Vaidehi Wadekar from PGDM first year.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaidehi Wadekar. I am from PGDM first year. I made this poster to create awareness among the people about the coronavirus, and also wanted to give thanks to those people who are doing great job for helping us. I wanted to show that every person is trying to say something to all of us for safety purpose. Police is trying to say that they are on road for helping us, so please stay at home and cooperate them. Doctor is trying to say that to take some precautions like wash your hand, avoid grouping, cook thoroughly, wear mask, don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Then BMC worker is trying to say that do not worry about the COVID-19. He is downloaded the Arogya Setu app. So we should also have to download this app. Be smart, be informed. then news reporter is trying to say that don't trust and spread any rumors. They can provide every information to all of us. Then coronavirus is also wanted to say something to all of us that if you don't maintain and follow government restriction, I am going to catch you. Your enemy coronavirus. And at the end, I am wanted to conclude that we want to throw out coronavirus from our lives. So stay home, stay safe, and win the fight. We will definitely win. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaidehi, for sharing your ideas with us. All posters were really creative. Everyone has put their best efforts to create awareness through innovative ideas and messages. Now, it's a time to acknowledge the talent of all participants. Winners would be announced shortly. Now, Dr. Arlof sir would like to address all of us.
Dear students, it's my pleasure to inform each one of you that our institution is organizing its first webinar on Thursday, 7th May 2020 at 4 p.m. for about an hour. The webinar topic is Re-energizing and Renewing Roles of Supply Chain. The webinar hosting is being managed by Professor Sandeep Moghe and his team. The webinar will be moderated by Professor Vibhuti Save, and the two speakers for the webinar are Professor Mahesh Bhanushali and myself. The digital flyer of the webinar is already available on our website as well as on Facebook. I would request each one of you to register and be a part of the learning process through this webinar. Looking forward to your participation to make this inaugural webinar of BRIMS a huge success of learning for the entire community. For any queries or doubts, you can call or message any of our team of 4 professors mentioned earlier by me. My personal thanks to Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra for giving me this opportunity to share this piece of information to our dear students. Wishing everyone a great evening ahead. Thank you.